For centuries, the Great Wall of China has stood as a symbol of strength, endurance, and unity. But behind its mighty stones lies a story that few truly know, a story of suffering, sacrifice, and human will. Over 2,000 years ago, during the reign of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, a great vision was born. He dreamed of a wall that would protect his empire from the northern invaders, the fierce Xiongnu tribes. But the emperor's dream came with a heavy price, one written in sweat, tears, and the lives of countless people. Millions of soldiers, peasants, and prisoners were forced to work under brutal conditions, day and night. Without modern machines, every stone had to be carried by hand. Workers climbed mountains, crossed deserts, and battled freezing winds. Food was scarce, tools were primitive, and injuries were constant. Many died from exhaustion, hunger, or the harsh environment. It is said that the Great Wall was not only built with earth and stone, but also with the bones of those who perished building it. The project stretched across thousands of miles, through deserts, valleys, and rugged mountains. Men labored for years, often far from home, with no hope of return. Entire families vanished, fathers, sons, brothers who never came back. Historians estimate that over 400,000 people died during its construction. Some say their bodies were buried within the wall itself, turning this massive defense line into a silent grave. The Great Wall was not just a monument, it was a memorial of human endurance and pain. Despite the unimaginable suffering, construction continued for centuries. Different dynasties rebuilt and expanded it, from the Han to the Ming, each adding their own stones and stories. For the workers, life was harsh, uncertain, and short. But for emperors, the wall represented power, control, and unity. To them, it was a symbol of strength, a message to enemies and future generations alike. Yet every brick carried a story of sacrifice, of nameless people who shaped history but were forgotten by it. Today, the Great Wall of China stands as one of humanity's greatest achievements, stretching over 13,000 miles across mountains and plains. Tourists walk its ancient paths, admire its beauty, and capture its grandeur in photos. But few stop to think about the cost that was paid. Every stone, every crack holds the memory of those who suffered and died to build it. The wall was not born from glory, but from grief, courage, and endurance,
a monument carved from both stone and sorrow. The Great Wall reminds us that behind every monument of power lies a human story of pain, perseverance, and hope. It stands as a testament to what people can achieve when united under a vision, and what it truly costs to make dreams real. As the wind sweeps over its stones, it whispers the voices of those forgotten builders, silent heroes of an empire. The Great Wall of China was built to protect a nation, but today it also protects their memory, eternal, unspoken, and unforgettable.